My name is Nikolaj Gitz and I am co-owner of Bakkergården Mælk APS here in Grenaa, where we have 530 dairy cows. We have invested in an NIR sensor from Phototechnic, which is installed on our self-propelled feed wagon here, and it is used to measure the dry matter content in the roughage, and then it adjusts accordingly so that we deliver the same amount of dry matter to the animals every day. What we have gained from the investment is that the feeding has become much more uniform. Feeding is now much more consistent, for example, with leftover feed and things like that. There aren't those huge fluctuations that you might otherwise experience throughout the year. It's very consistent. If others have a self-propelled feed wagon, that's where I think the biggest impact is, because we can measure while it's loading. So the feed passes by the scanner continuously as it's being loaded, and I would say if you have a self-propelled wagon, it's definitely worth considering because I think you really get a lot out of it. The service from Phototechnic, there's really nothing to complain about. They always pick up the phone when you call, and if there ever is an issue, they're not hesitant to come out here if something is wrong.